All right, so let's think about this for a second. You build a birdhouse and you rig it with artificial intelligence. Like, what can you do? You can use computer vision to identify the bird, which is really cool. You could use AI to maybe check to see if something like that isn't a bird is there, maybe, like a squirrel or something, and then you could maybe lock the food up, or you could see if there's enough food so that it never runs out, and maybe it automatically sends you a text message or something. I mean, basically it's like kind of a glamorous Ring doorbell cam with some mechanisms attached to it, but it's an interesting use case, especially if it's solar powered.